Please pay attention to me. Take out your notebooks, please. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna grade your notebooks. Okay, first thing, molecular mass is the relative molecular mass and molecular weight is the mass of a molecule. Okay? We're gonna learn to calculate the mass of a molecule. You should be copying that. You got 1 minute to be on task copying it. I'm gonna grade it if you are doing it or not. And this is important. We're gonna learn to calculate the molecular mass of a molecule or compound. Okay? It's very easy to do. To do it, you need a periodic table, and you got to see the number at the bottom in this periodic table. Okay? That is the atomic mass of the element. So, to calculate the molecular mass, you have to add all the atomic mass of all the elements in the formula. Okay? Just copy this. 30 seconds, and we will get to the next slide. 30 seconds, you should be copying it. I'm gonna grade it. Molecular mass is the mass of the molecule. Okay? Again, you need the periodic table. I'm gonna give you one. Please take it with you. Anywhere. Everywhere. Can I go on? I'm going to go on. Yeah. How do you calculate the molecular mass? It's calculated as the sum of the relative atomic masses of each constituent element multiplied by the number of atoms of that element in the molecular formula. It's very easy. You only have to multiply the atomic mass by the number of atoms in the formula and then add. Okay? You got 2 minutes to copy this slide. Again, how do you calculate the molecular mass? You multiply the atomic mass by the number of atoms in the formula, and then you add it all. Now I'm going to show you a table how to do it. You multiply, it's there, okay? You multiply the atomic mass by the number of atoms in the formula. Again, you multiply the atomic mass by the number of atoms in the formula. And then you add everything. It's easy. Don't worry if you don't understand. I'm going to show you a table of how to do it. Okay? It's very easy. Now maybe you need the calculator. You can use the cell you want. Or maybe you don't need it. Yeah. Can I go on? Again, you multiply the number of atoms in the formula by the atomic mass. For example, molecular mass of water. You make a table like this with the element H, O, hydrogen, oxygen. Then the number of atoms. Here you have 2 hydrogens. No number means 1 oxygen. and then you take the atomic weight, the atomic mass from the periodic table. From the one I'm going to give you is the number at the bottom, okay? Not the number of the upper left, that's the atomic number, but the mass number is the one at the bottom, okay? It has decimals, you round it, okay? You round the number if it has too many decimals. You don't need to be so exact, okay? You multiply 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 16 is 16, and you add 2 plus 16 is 18. That's easy. It's very easy. We need that to make the other. That's what, for what? For Spanish? Yeah? Now I'm gonna do it for you to have fun. I'm a very good reader, even if I'm Andalusian and I got some Andalusian accent. When I read very well, and you can learn a lot from my. Okay. But that's a step. I didn't understand English when I was like this, but I tried to spell the words, and that's good for me. And we have a teacher here in Florida bring her sons to learn to spell the language. Not to learn too much, because they're going to learn English anyway. Okay. From the periodic table, the number of the bottom. Okay? Not this one. This is the atomic number at the bottom. That's the atomic mass. And this is the number you have to write here. And I said that you got here for oxygen 15.999, you round it, okay? You don't have to be so exact, okay? Don't use too many decimals because there's no use in it, okay? Just round the numbers. Okay, another one. Another one, then you want to do the worksheet and we're done. This one. Please look at me. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, please. 30 seconds. Enough. Come on, look at me. When you have a 2 here with parentheses, it means you got 2 oxygens and 2 hydrogens, okay? 2 oxygens and 2 hydrogens. Here, 2 and 2. Okay, this 2 goes for everything that is in the parentheses, okay? So I got 1 calcium, 2 oxygens, 2 hydrogens. You get atomic weight from the table, and then you multiply and add, okay?